Hey y'all, it's Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a quick video. And in this video, I want to show you guys what the resort did for us for our anniversary. It surprised us with a little cute little room decoration. We've been gone for a couple hours on an excursion that lasts, I think, from 3 to 7 or sunset excursion. So we're just not getting back. It is late. It's around 8ish. And so this is what we came into the room and saw. Look at the tub, y'all. They got the bubble bath going, and it really was like this. The light was off. Let me see if this is the lights off. I'll show you how what we really saw coming in. Yes, it was so cute. To the bathtub. Look how big this tub is. They had it decorated, laid with these beautiful yellow flowers. So nice. Look at this. My butler and I think 2 butlers I have, and they did a great job. As you move on over to the bed, you see that they decorated the bed that said happy anniversary. So we've celebrated this anniversary, y'all, twice. This is our 2nd trip for our anniversary, our 35th anniversary. Yes, it's a milestone anniversary, so we went all out. And so this is our 2nd anniversary trip. And I must say, this is a great surprise. Look at this. Happy anniversary with the balloons and everything. And the little heart decoration on the bed. I thought that was just so cute. And the heart balloons. So they did a great job spelling out the word anniversary with these beautiful decorated, I think, flowers. Yeah, flowers. So yeah, this is what we came home to, or back to the room rather, to. And then we have a beautiful towel decoration here. So yeah, we've been out in the sun, in the ocean. We've seen the pitons. We are broke down. We are tired, and I still have a signature restaurant to go to around 9ish. So I think this tub really came in handy for us to jump in, do a quick bubble bath, and then we're out going to our last signature restaurant, which is called Zen, and I think it's more of a hibachi style type of grill. So I just want to show y'all what they did for us. I'm so tickled. I thought that was so nice for our anniversary, and the trip has been amazing. I must say, Burlington Resort at St. Lucia's has really did a wonderful job, and I'm so tickled. All right, this is Lady T ZCD. I'm going to jump off, get dressed, and get ready to go to our last dinner for tonight. Has been a wonderful vacay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and tell me what y'all think of this room and the wonderful surprise. They didn't have to do it. They did this on their own, and so we're very appreciative. So again, Lady T ZCD, we're going to jump off. Also on the door, let me show you the door. They also, before I jump off, well, this has been on the door since we've been here. I'm sorry, it got dark, but let me show y'all our door before I jump off. And back home. So it says happy anniversary here on this door. That door down there that says happy honeymoon. So the honeymoon is right there, and then you come to our door. We have the happy anniversary banner. So thank you guys for watching Lady T ZCD. Thank you guys for supporting this trip by leaving your wonderful comments below. I've had a ball, and I need to get back to the ATL real soon. Thanks for watching Lady T ZCD. Comment below, share, like, hit the notification bell, and if you have not subscribed, I will invite you guys personally right now to subscribe to my channel. It's a lot of fun, and I'll show you all my shenanigans that be going on in my life. God is good. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.